Magnetic paperclip. Here are the materials you will need: a piece of cloth, battery, copper wire, and paperclip. Start by wrapping the copper wire around the paperclip. Be sure to wrap it very tightly. Leave 5 to 7 centimeters of wire on both ends of the paperclip and make a little loop. We will be using the loops to attach it to the top and the bottom of the battery. When attaching it, be sure to be super careful as the battery can get hot. Prevent hurting yourself by placing a thick piece of cloth to hold the battery while attaching it. Hold the cloth tightly at the spots you have attached the wiring. When done correctly, the smaller paper clips should stick to the bigger paper clips. Well done! You have just created your very own